Alright, did the old switcheroo over the weekend. Ended up finding a dirty as can be, still see that reflection. Anyway, went up to Farmersville, Ohio, and found a center console for this truck. Got it from a nice gentleman up there out in the boonies. And Saturday night, or Saturday evening, pulled the jump seat that was in here, which I got a new lid for. But basically, I got her all glossed down. But I don't care that it's a two-tone, because the seats were not the charcoal gray. That's the way the original owner bought it. So it did not have the charcoal interior captain's chairs, because there's no armrests that flip down, and it's not leather seats like my red or my blue one. So this came out of a 05 or 06 Silverado. The guy was parting out, so basically it's nice and clean. And then I put my Carbright interior exterior detail on it, and then I just got to wipe it down so it's not that shiny. But yeah, real good condition. So I'll take you around the other side. So basically, the other console with the jump seat, very easy to take off this kick panel, or this panel under the dash, series of screws, and then take off the glove box and the panel, glove box and this other flip down ashtray and little storage was all one piece. And so I had to take my multi-tool. I took it all out to install the center console, but then I took the multi-tool and cut it, and I'll show you. But this one went back perfect. That's all factory. Boom. So I just took out these seats and then put this new center console, new to this truck, I should say. We'll walk around passenger side. I'm still waiting on my paint to cure. I don't want to put it on prematurely. I want that to all set up real good. But yeah, you can hear them pipes just idling good. So basically ended up just taking the multi-tool and cutting this right along there. I just measured out from the dash, the end of the dash over, and then cut there, or marked it there top and bottom, struck a line, and then cut it with the multi-tool, and fit in there beautifully. But now this truck's got the center console, full center console, instead of the jump seat. So I'll be selling that jump seat on Marketplace. But yeah, this is one of the original surviving 20-year-old floor mat from where this guy bought the truck up on Coleraine at Joseph Chevrolet in 06. So anyway, quick video on that. So yep, it's about to storm here tonight. Just moving the trucks around, and gonna move this one over closer, and then put the red one next to here, because we got a lot of tall trees right here, big bastards. And I like to move the trucks a little bit further away from them, because I'm cool here, because the house, those trees are far away. This one's far enough away. I mean, it's right above the garage. But a couple years ago, or last year, I had some limbs removed on this side that were hanging over like the side of the garage. But anyway, that's the full console, center console swap. Got it for $100. Greatly improves the interior and puts this truck at what I'm used to in the blue truck and old reliable red are over there. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. See ya.